Real World STEM wants to know, did you take the heat challenge? Ellie, Kenzie, and Jack took the heat challenge, and Clay helped them out by measuring their angle of hip flexion on protractor. Then Jack relaxed while the girls applied heat to their hamstrings for 10 minutes. And here's what happened afterwards.
Would there be a difference in if you did it by percentage? Because everyone's a little bit different.
Good question, Jack. We used algebra to figure out the percentage of change in each teen's flexibility. Then we asked an expert to explain our results.
We saw a difference in the percentages of gains of each teenager because each of these people are starting at a different place. He had very tight hamstrings, so he was starting from a much lower level. We'll probably see more of an increase with someone who has more to gain than someone who's already flexible. Different people have different strengths and weaknesses. Some people are built for power, some people are built for mobility, and that person that gained a lot has probably had more power than he does flexibility, so he has to work harder at that. The person who had the more flexibility maybe needs to think a little bit more about strengthening because they're more flexible than they are strong.
Are you flexible or strong? What percent change did you see in your hip flexion?
Flexibility increases after stretching because when you put a force on a muscle, gentle and sustained, it will elongate the fibers of the muscle and you'll gain more mobility.
So what's with the heating pad?
When you warm a body part up, it makes it more pliable and easier to move.
Sue says there are a lot of things that can affect your flexibility. But how does she know so much?
Because I'm a physical therapist and I designed this experiment. I concentrate on rehabilitating people from injury. A large part of my job is education, is teaching people how to move again, how to avoid injury, or how to overcome an injury. This piece of equipment can be used to measure any range of any joint in the body. So this is a core piece of our equipment. A goniometer could be used to measure your elbow range of motion. We also use our hands. We can test strength by giving manual resistance to different muscles. This is called kinesiotape. It is sort of like athletic tape with elastic in it. Now, depending on how you lay the tape down over a muscle or an injured body part, it can be used to reduce swelling, to reduce muscle spasm or pain. It can also help to support a lax joint or a weak body part. We also use heat, ice. We can use something called ultrasound. The ultrasound has a wand which emits sound waves, and they penetrate down into the tissues and create a heating effect. And that helps to bring the circulation to the area and promote healing. The mirror is a really good tool. If somebody, for example, had a neck injury, like a whiplash, and we're trying to teach them how to regain their normal posture back again. So if you get some feedback from the mirror and you see where you are and where you should be, then the mirror helps you to retrain your muscles again.
So is being a physical therapist fun?
The thing that I really love about being a physical therapist is being able to teach people how to better enjoy quality of life.
If you want to be a PT, you'll have to earn your degree.
The kind of classes that I took included anatomy and physiology, exercise physiology, psychology, physics, the study of forces, kinesiology, which is the study of movement. I also had to take chemistry and biology.
But what does chemistry have to do with moving your muscles around?
Chemistry is important because all of the movement that we do is built on chemical reactions and different chemical exchanges that occur in your body.